Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary for Wednesday. It's about 2:50 Eastern time today. Sort of turnabout fair play, I guess, in a way. Yesterday we had the U.S. dollar sharply lower, which allowed the commodities complex to have a huge rally. As a matter of fact, crude oil went above towards $55 a barrel. Had a rally in cotton, corn, and beans, and some other markets. But today was something of a reversal. The dollar able to get back some of the losses of yesterday, which in turn put some of the markets back down. Crude oil in particular took a big hit today. We're back under $50 in crude oil, down about $4.50. Of course, the fundamentals for oil still remain bearish in that the Asian economy is slowing, the European economy is slowing. Of course, after the news yesterday from the Middle East, we know that place is still crazy. And so global investors still want to invest in the U.S. dollar. So the dollar up today and punishing all things commodities. Crude oil, as we say, down $4. Heating oil down 800 points. Gasoline has been down over 1,000 points. Cotton today, waiting on exports tomorrow, but cotton today was back off a little bit. Spot in March around 61.20, down about 20 points, pretty muted. We're going to see what the USDA says we did in terms of sales and exports tomorrow morning at 8:30 Eastern. The last three, I believe, have been marketing year highs. We've sold close to 1.5 million bales over the last 3 to 4 weeks. So we don't have to sell that much to meet the USDA target, which means USDA may have to raise its target on the next supply-demand number, which I think comes out next week. Beans yesterday up 30 cents, roughly. They're down about 15 today. Again, I think a lot of that was short covering, and then we saw sellers come back in. Pretty much ditto for corn and wheat. Wheat up substantially yesterday, corn up substantially. But again, I think a lot of that was shorts that were embedded in the market, and we saw a lot of that short covering get taken out, and so now the market's left to its own fundamental devices. And so for corn, cotton, and beans, they'll wait on the supply demand numbers next week. But first, of course, is the export number. The key also still rests with the dollar. All eyes are on the dollar, and we'll see if the dollar can catch its breath in here and resume its upward trend. If it does, we can certainly see another sell-off in commodities. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.